Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2021 Arctic Fox 285C. Beautiful coach by Northwood RV. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features. Folks, this is a great Four Seasons coach. It's got your reclining sofa in the slide out. You've got a rear dining table and chairs. It's got solid counter surfaces, huge amount of storage in it. You've got the TV, the DVD, the fireplace, gas grill top, convection oven, gas oven. It's got the big refrigerator in it. Upstairs you've got a nice bedroom with a wardrobe slide out. Also, the slide continues into the bathroom and has a linen slide. It's a great coach. Great size to go into parks, and you'll love the coach. Dual pane windows. Northwood builds a very, very solid coach. We're proud to be a Northwood dealer. Arctic Fox, we were one of their original dealers, and you just can't buy a better coach. Thank you very much for your time. Once again, my name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. You can reach me direct on my cell phone at 541-521-8914.